Arizona has established itself as a leader in aerospace and defense sectors. We are home to over 1,200 aerospace and defense companies that contribute nearly $15 billion annually to our economy and employ more than 62,000 Arizonans. Here at this facility, students in Arizona will have the opportunity to become a part of this ever-growing, in-demand workforce and set themselves up for a lifetime of success.
We continue to innovate and take our leadership to new heights. Arizona's Future48 Workforce Accelerators are a game changer for Arizona's workers and companies. Through this novel approach, we are working closely with industry to anticipate the jobs of the future and train Arizonans for jobs proactively.
So this new Future48 Workforce Accelerator will play a very key role in enhancing the customized training to provide regional talent to some of the largest aerospace and defense companies in the world.
The launch of this aerospace and defense-focused accelerator marks an important milestone as we introduce the 6th Workforce Accelerator across the state and the 2nd within the Maricopa system. Nearly 90% of our students come from across Maricopa County, and the vast majority of them choose to stay, work, and lead right here in our communities. Our system plays a pivotal role in shaping the workforce and opening new opportunities for hundreds of thousands of students each year.